Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to find the numbers from the given images with few examples. Our first example is based on flowers of different colors. Okay, our first question is, have you been to a park? Yes, right? We all have been to a park. So what are all the things we have seen in the park? Yes, we will be seeing the various playing items, right? Seesaw will be there, slide will be there, merry-go-round will be there. Then what we'll see around the park? Around the park there will be benches, right? For the old peoples to sit and take the rest. Then we'll have trees around the park, right? So what we will see in the trees? So many birds will be sitting in the trees and they are enjoying, right? So they'll make different sounds. Then what we'll see? We'll be seeing many colored flowers in the trees, right? So what colored flowers did you see there? We will see the flowers of different colors like yellow, blue, red, orange and purple. So many colors will be seen. So where most of the flowers are yellow in color? Yes, most of the flowers are yellow in color. Okay, so now we look at the different flowers in this picture. Okay, so by looking into this flowers in the picture, we are going to complete this table. Okay, so what they have asked? Colors of flowers. Okay, a number of flowers. We are going to count the number of flowers and we are going to fill in this table. So first color given is blue. We'll count number of blue flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So number of blue flowers is 9. The next color given is red. So we'll count number of red flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 red flowers. Now next color given is orange. We will count orange flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there are 5 orange flowers. So in the table, next color given is purple. Now we are going to count the purple flowers. So here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So totally there are 10 purple flowers. Okay, now we'll see the next question. Draw the right flower. Write how many are there. So first is there are dash or the most in number and how many. Most means many in number and how many. So from this table we can write many flowers. So highest flower is purple flower and how many flowers? 10 flowers, right? So if you see here in the table, the largest number is 10. So the most number of flowers is purple in color and the number of flowers is 10. So we are writing this purple flower here. Okay, so they are most in number and how many? 10 purple flowers. Next is dash are least in number and how many? Least means very less in number. So if you see the table, the least number is 5. Smallest number is 5. So and it is orange color flower. So we are writing orange flower are least in number and how many flowers are there totally? 5 flowers. So dash or more than dash is our next question. Which flowers are more than which flowers? So now if you see the table, red flowers are more than orange flowers. Red flowers are more than orange. Red is more in number compared to orange. So red flowers are more than orange flowers. Next last question, dash are more than dash. So next if you compare the next, blue flower and red flower, blue flowers are more than red flowers. Okay, and purple flowers are more than blue flowers. Whatever we want, we can write. So here I am writing blue flowers are more than red flowers. So now we'll see next example. What do we see on the road? Look at the traffic scene in the picture and fill in the table. So now there are So many vehicles on the road. Now we have to look into these vehicles and we have to answer the question given below. So the first question is, in the picture, which way of travel do you see the most? So which way of travel? By bus, by auto rickshaw, by car, okay, by cycle, by walking, scooter. So many ways are there. So which way do you see the most? Okay, so now which way do you see the most? So traveling by four-wheeler can be seen in the most. Okay, four-wheelers are more in numbers here. So 17 four-wheelers are here. So four-wheelers is the most thing. So which way of travel, that is vehicle, do you see the least? Least we have seen, right? It's very less. So traveling by bullock cart is very less. So bullock cart, see here only one bullock cart is there, right? So bullock cart, a tractor. So tractor is also only one tractor is there. So traveling by bullock cart, a tractor is seen least in the picture. The number of people walking is more than number of people traveling in bullock cart. Bullock cart only less people are traveling. So more number of people are walking here. Okay, next question. The number of buses is less than number of. Here if you see this table, we can write number of buses is less than number of cars. Okay. Next we'll see one more example. So this example is with dice. Have you all seen the dice? Okay, so dice will have six numbers, right? So it will be like a cube. Each face or each side you will have one numbers like this. One side it's 1, next side 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Have you played dice? Yes, we have all played with dice, right? So many board games are there. So how many dots are there on the different faces of the die? So on the one face we'll have 1, next face we'll have 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So totally we have 6 faces and we'll have 1 dot in one face, 2 dot in the other. So totally we'll have like this, right? Okay, so next example is, look at the number of dots you get on the face of a die. When you throw a die, we can see how many dots are there in the face what we are getting. So for each throw, draw a mark in front of the number of the table. Throw the die 30 times and mark in the table each time. So what they are saying is, you have to take a die and you have to throw the die 30 times, 30 times, and you have to mark like this 1 on the number what you are getting. Okay, so if you get 1, you have to mark 1 on the table near the next to this one. If you get 2, you have to mark it here. If you get 3, you mark it here. 4 in this column, 5 here and then 6 here. See, I have drawn die 30 times and I have been marked like this. Okay. So with this table, we'll answer this question. Which face of the die did you get the most number of times? Most means we have already seen. Most is many number of times. Yes. So if you see here, the largest number is here, right? 3. So we have get the number 3 most number of times. How many times did, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 come up? So if you see here, 6 is here. So for me, 6 come up only one time. Even you get one time or even you may not get 6. Okay, it does not matter. Next question is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 came up more number of times than, let me see here, 4 is here. So 4 is here. 4 comes more number of times than 3, right? So 4 comes more number of times than, even we can write 5, we can write 6, okay? We can write 1, we can write 2. So 4 comes more number of times than any other numbers except 3. Next question is, compare your table with that of the student sitting next to you. Do you find any difference in the two tables? So this is the table of mine and this is the table of my friend. So if you observe these two tables, okay, so when two person throws die at a time, the number appearing on the die may vary from person to person, or they both may get the same number. It may vary, or you can also get the same number. It does not depends, right? So when the same person is doing a try repeatedly, then also the number appearing on the die may vary, or even you may get the same number again and again, right? Hope you have understood what is more, the most, and then least, right? So you can write by looking into the pictures, count, and you can write it. Thank you for watching the video.